Hi guys, I will be doing a lesson that hopefully will help, and it is to make a regular square or rectangular cushion and then stitch off the corners to create that gusset. I have a couple of little drawings here on my whiteboard. If you watch my videos or you're subscribed to my channel, you know that I like to use a whiteboard, right? So let's look at my drawings here. The one at the top is showing the basic cushion with the gusseted area, which is 4 inches, and it's 4 inches all around. So basically what you do is you take the corner and you open up the cushion, making sure that you line up the center of the front part here with the stitch on the other side. And then when you have lined up the two seams, you get your measuring tape and you measure across 4 inches, and you're measuring across 4 inches because your gusseted area is 4 inches. So the 2 inches should be in the center like it is here, and I'll go ahead and I'll just put a line here. And because the gusseted area is 4 inches around, we'll do the same thing for all 4 corners. I'm just putting in a couple of pins. Now let's do another corner. We open up the corner, making sure that the center front lines up with the stitch at the back. And then we go ahead and measure off 4 inches, making sure that your 2 inches, which is a half of 4 inches, is lined up in the center. And go ahead and make your mark. The mark you're making here will be your stitch line. Now we'll do the back corners, and this is where the zipper is. So we open up the seam and make sure that it's all lined up nicely, and we get our measuring tape, making sure that your 2 inches is in the middle. Now I'll do my last corner. There we go. Now after I have finished marking off the corners, I'll take the cushion to the sewing machine and I'll stitch those corners. You see this end here, how it's a bit round? If you find yourself in a situation like that, what you can do is when you go to stitch the corner or the round corner, what you can do is literally that straight line that you drew across here, just start your stitching a little on the corner above that line and curve a little and do the same thing on the other end. This is what I'm talking about. You see how I started here and I curved all the way around here? That is so the corner kind of hugs the cushion a little better than just a straight line. Now we're going to turn this cushion cover inside out, and I just stick my hands in both corners and just turn it inside out. And we're going to put our cushion in. Yeah. And then we just insert the cushion into the cushion cover all the way in. It's done. You know, another thing you want to consider is when you're making your cushion covers, decide ahead of time how you want your patterns to be on your pillow cover, because you don't want to put in all the hard work and then you're disappointed at the end. Before I cut my cushion cover, I decided I wanted to have the botanical print across the front of the pillow because it just creates that interest, and I think it's pretty. Okay guys, so that's it. That is how you make a basic pillow, flat pillow, then stitch off the corners to make that dimension for your box cushions, your mattress covers, futon covers, whatever dimensional cushion you need to cover. Thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, sharing, and subscribing. If you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that notification bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. You take care now, guys. I see you in the next video.